Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, do I got a good video for y'all today. So look, before we get into this video, I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, aka the fastest dasher alive. You feel me? And today we finna talk about this Doordash driver who quit and kept the food. Yes, you heard me right. He actually stole the customer's food after basically confronting them about not getting the tip, complaining. He first begged them for a tip, complained about why the trip was not profitable, why it was hazardous. You can see snow and ice all in the video. I mean, it's all around just really, really bad. And I got some experience confronting customers. And I mean, this dasher really took it to the next level. Now, before we get into this video, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to hit that like and that subscribe button because we got a goal of 10,000 subscribers on this channel, and we will be doing a $100 giveaway. And I also need you to do me another favor. If you really trying to support this channel, go ahead and consider becoming a member because there will be special perks available exclusively to channel members. So you want to make sure you're in there, and it's gonna be special giveaways too. But check this out, man. As DoorDash drivers, we have it hard out there sometimes. You got to deal with hazardous driving conditions, rude customers. It's a lot. Merchants can give you issues. Sometimes you yourself can be the issue as a dasher. I know a little bit about that. But in this particular case, this driver was just, I feel like he was having a bad day. He pulled up, he was hot. I mean, he was mad. As soon as he pulled up, he started going in on the customer immediately. And I mean, he ain't even giving no chance. So look, let's go ahead and take a look at this video and let me know in the comments below what you think about what this dasher did. Because look, I don't recommend you ever do anything like this, anything like I've done, but man, it is very entertaining. So let's go ahead and have a look at this dasher's big blunder. I'm pretty sure he got deactivated for this.
Hey, how you doing? Not too much. We got a bit of an issue here. Yeah, this wasn't worth my time.
That's all right.
At that point, I appreciate a definite positive review, considering what I just went through. If not, whatever gratuities involved on the note, on that, of getting some effort for what's being delivered tonight.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
Other than that, I don't care about, it wasn't worth my hazards to even come out here for this. So at this point, if you guys like to cancel, I got myself a nice deal I'm going to have. You expect this door-to-door delivery, and like every person I deliver to, no matter what their stature, no matter what neighborhood they live in, 0 tips.
Really?
0 gratuity. I don't know what I see from your end to my end. I don't know what I believe, but I've driven for Lyft, Uber, Eats. I'm not yelling at you, sir. I can raise my voice and just telling you, like, look at it out right now. It was super fucking sketchy to get you. I almost crashed like 3 times. Okay? Exactly. So I hear what you're saying. I love the smirk on your face. Hey, great accent lighting. I'm a landscaper. Your house is gorgeous. You guys have a very nice night. 0 stars. You can report me whatever. I quit the job and I'm just going to keep your food. Come there. Give me my freaking food.
Now that we've had a chance to watch the video, look, let me know what you think in the comments below, because I think that was hella funny. Would I recommend you doing that? Absolutely not, because here's the thing. You do this, you're going to get deactivated 100% for sure. As you can see, he didn't care. He was ready. Now, on top of that, this man literally stole their food on camera. So now you got a whole nother set of problems because let's just say they decide to send this video to DoorDash, which I'm pretty sure they did so they can get their money back for their refund. Now they got a picture of you, your car, and your license plate literally taking the food up to their door and walking away with it, bro. So you really was tripping on this one. If you was gonna take the food, why would drive all the way to their house? And if you saw that it was hazardous conditions and that it was really an unsafe drive, why not just call support and cancel the order before you made it all the way there? See, the thing is, this dasher really felt in his soul that he needed to confront this customer and tell him that these companies don't pay nothing and tell him that, basically the hazards of that order was too much for the value of the tip. He told him all them things. And like I said, I ain't here to say he was right or wrong, but I'm just telling you, look, don't do this, guy. For one, you want to make sure you're being safe out there, okay? Because even though this may be entertaining, it's not something that we want to see, go into the wrong direction. We hear lots of bad news stories about dashers encountering this or that, and everybody don't make it home. So look, if you take nothing else from this video, take that safety from it. Take that, You want to make sure you're being safe out there. And if the delivery ain't worth it, just go ahead and decline and save yourself the trouble. And if you want to focus on making more money, focus on multi-apping. And not only multi-apping, try to look for different things to deliver instead of just food. So you can deliver construction items, you can deliver pharmacy orders, you can deliver lots of different things, orders that aren't just hot food, because you're going to encounter the most problems when it comes to delivering, and especially when it comes to hot food. So look, let's all learn from this. Let's laugh at it a little bit, but let's learn from it. And as always, let me know what you think in the comments below about the actions of this dasher in this video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button for your boy so we can get this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go. I'm trying to get that YouTube money. Stop playing with me.
Do it!